Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, showing you the china being listed. And these are relatively modern blue willow china cereal or soup bowls made by Churchill. They've got a variety of different Churchill marks on them. This very late 20th century dishwasher and microwave safe mark. Let's have a look at some of the others to show you there you go. A slightly earlier Churchill made in England, earthenware, microwave and dishwasher safe. So a variety of different china marks, but they're all the same diameter, which, if I put a tape measure across here and show you, is just over 7.75. 7 7/8 inch really is the closest measurement on the widest part of these diameter. They are large cereal or soup bowls. You can see they've got the sloping rims, no flat rim to make them into a soup bowl or plate really. So we're selling these as cereal or dessert bowls. They made these in a variety of different sizes. There is a larger version than this, so do check the rim diameter if you're buying these to extend your collection, because they made the exact same shape but in 8 7/8 I think, and these are the 7 7/8 inch versions of the Churchill Blue Willow earthenware cereal or dessert bowls, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We've got a stack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think there is another one on catalogue already before we're adding these into the carton. So I think there's 7 of these available currently on the website. All the measurements, details, pricing, everything is available on the website. We'll put a link in the description that will take you directly there. If you need to find out more information, just click on that in the description below. Thanks for watching.